Are you looking for the best ratchet tie-down? In this video, we will break down the top 6 ratchet tie-downs on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1, RHINO USA HD Kit 2-Pack. With a maximum braking strength of 1,823 pounds, this set of 4 ratchet straps are perfect for nearly any light or medium-duty moving. As a set, the ratchets can also work together to secure heavier loads like motorcycles and ATVs to the back of a truck or trailer, making it easier to stabilize awkward loads without the risk of damage. Also, the straps use a fairly traditional design that includes a short fixed end and a longer adjustable end with padded hooks. The strap itself is just 1 inch thick. While the straps are on the thin side, the webbing does a good job of stretching without breaking under normal loads, increasing the strength and flexibility of the straps. Its uses are fairly straightforward, making these a good option for beginners learning how to safely use ratchet straps. Moreover, for heavier loads, the straps are too thin to work well with just the 4-strap set. These larger straps around 2 inches in width are better suited for heavier loads that can quickly max out the brake forces. At number 2, AUGO 4 RCHT. These ratchet tie-down straps are meant to secure a variety of cargo and offer good security. They are made up of quality materials that will cause no scratches. This strap can handle up to 1,500 pounds of braking strength. This makes it ideal for moving appliances, motorcycles, garden equipment, etc. Also, it can carry 500 pounds of load, which is enough for small to medium tasks. The 4 straps included in the package are made up of high-quality materials that make it possible to bear the tension and stabilize it. Moreover, the straps have rubberized handles to prevent scratches. Besides, the straps have quality S-hooks that are manufactured using top-class molding technology, which ensures that your cargo doesn't slip off or fall once strapped. It is made of durable polyester that can last for longer. Plus, the steel used on the straps is top-grade material that doesn't rust. Apart from getting 2 15-inch straps, you will also get 2 bungee cords to increase security, hence, expect double security. At number 3, ERICKSON 34416. This is a patented ratchet strap design that puts it in a class of its own. Its ease of use sets it aside from the other tie-down straps in the market. Also, it is a high-quality ratchet strap. To use, simply pull out the web to the desired length, attach it and start ratcheting until it tightens. To release the strap, simply press the red release button and that's it. This retractable design means that all unused webbing gets stored inside the device, eliminating webbings that may float in the air while you drive. After all, the points of concern here include the high price and that there are only 2 units in the package. The patented design makes up for it all anyway. Do you have a favorite yet? Well, we have one more coming up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon for instant notifications of our next review. And now back to our list. At number 4, CAMCO 50031. These heavy-duty retractable ratchet tie-down straps aren't your typical product. You don't have to deal with the hassle of long cords, as the strap can be wound up inside the device. Also, the strap can be bolted down to any trailer and is also simple to use with its quick release function. The bolts are heavy-duty as well. They are perfectly designed to be used to hold down boats, motorcycles, ATVs, furniture, and cargo. Plus, they have 2,500 pounds of brake strength and 833 pounds of working strength. And, with their no-fuss strap system, they are easy to store and are lightweight. However, the one downside is that the bolts may be too long for specific applications. Also, winding the strap back up can also be difficult, even with the release button. The strap may need some spray lube or a bit of muscle to wrap. At number 5, RHINO USA Best Ratchet 4-Pack. This 4-pack ratchet strap is a dependable kit for hauling your motorcycle, dirt bike, ATV, UTV, or golf cart. The set of 1-inch wide ratchet straps has a maximum braking strength of 1,823 pounds. Also, the set comes with 4 axle straps to wrap through motorcycle forks or around golf cart axles to keep them attached during transport. The anodized ratchet is weather and corrosion resistant and has an ergonomic, padded rubber handle. The S-hooks attach onto truck bed eyelets and hooks, so your cargo stays in place when you hit a bump in the road. Finally, if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, your money will be well refunded. At number 6. CARTMAN. This ratchet is your typical looking ratchet strap. It's durable and brightly colored, making it easier to see. The strap measures 1 inch wide and 15 feet long and has a working maximum capacity of 500 pounds and 1,500 pounds of braking capacity. They are also reasonably priced for a pack of 6. Best of all, the straps have a smooth and functional retractable ratchet, which makes all the difference when you need to tie down something in a pinch. And when it comes to durability, the straps are sturdy and tough. However, one downside of the straps is they may be more prone to jamming, and wrapping them back up can lead to issues. They may also not fully handle 1,500 pounds. Just be careful if you load anything near the full weight capacity.